Welcome back to another video, Plant with Us, and in today's video I will just have a quick update how this garden is going, what I've been doing, what's my future plans. Yeah, but if you didn't subscribe yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment down below, and please say it. It will help this channel a lot. Yeah, I've planted onion seeds. That was about 2 weeks ago. As you can see, yes, small onion leaves is coming out. Small onion leaves, and I'm happy for that. This is the first time I planted onions, so I will see how that goes. And I will show you a couple of weeks how it's growing. And as you can see, I've put in a wood structure around the onions, so that is to prevent me from stepping on the onions. I also want to put some netting on top, so that is to prevent the birds from eating the onion plants, because sometimes they think that the small onion plants is worms. So the net will help prevent the birds from eating the onion plants. That is the onion section. Here we have the mint. This is peppermint. This peppermint is growing non-stop. You can see the whole space, only peppermint plants. Or I think I need to put another wood structure here so it doesn't spread any further, because what this plant is doing is growing its roots underneath the soil, and wherever you can see, then the peppermint just pop up in a matter of days. And yeah, I need to contain this, because otherwise it's gonna take off a lot of space, and we don't even use peppermint so much. That's peppermint, but yo, the stuff smells nice. And then we have here um, spinach. Spinach just keeps growing. And then we have the pumpkin. Here's one pumpkin that I have. This pumpkin I think is maybe a month old, 1 month old. And I see this is the male plant male flower. So we just need to wait now for the female flower, so the male flower can pollinate the female flower, and that female flower will actually grow into a pumpkin. But we'll see how that one goes. Like I said before, this is my first time doing gardening. Yeah, I'm just learning all the way. I hope you learn too. This is a section of my tomatoes. This is the tomato section, and this big tomato plant, this was my first tomato plant I planted. Yeah, that was a few months ago. What I actually did wrong was plant a lot of tomato seeds inside this tire, and now I can't remove this tire. I have to wait. So when I maybe harvest these tomatoes, get the tire out. Yeah, but that was something I didn't expect. This tomato plant to grow like this, and I had to remove the tire before it was so big. But it is producing a lot of tomatoes, a lot of tomatoes. You can see even here underneath, lots of tomatoes. Here I planted more tomato plants. Yeah. Those ones I planted maybe a month ago. The small ones a month ago, month and a half ago. I've actually planted first in that white sour basin bin, and then I've waited till it's big enough, and 2 days ago I planted inside the soil. So now we're gonna see how it grows, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on how this tomato plant is growing. I still need to learn how to um, uh, prune it, and yeah, that's basically the tomato plants. You can see there's another two small ones. Yes, another pumpkin plant. So we have a few pumpkin plants, and these pumpkins, like I understand, they grow wildly. You need to have a lot of space for pumpkin plants. But I'll just hope for the best. Here I planted chili pepper. So basically what I did is I've used a whole pack of chili pepper seeds. I planted in different pots, but the others failed miserably, and I can only see one. You can see one chili pepper plant is coming out. So yeah, hopefully this isn't a failure. I will maybe in the next couple of days I will buy another pack and start over. But if you have some tips how to plant chili pepper plants, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, that is a chili pepper plant. The only one survived out of the whole pack. Here we have lettuce. You can see all the lettuce in this containers. What I'm supposed to do now is maybe when they grow a bit bigger, I will transplant them in separate pots. So, because now what happens is I planted too much seeds in one container, and now it's too much, and they are kind of fighting for nutrition. Yeah, but there's lettuce plants, and yeah, I will definitely improve my 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 way I do the seedlings. Yeah, I have some wood panels. What I want to do is use that space over there where the tires is. make 2 raised beds. That is for potatoes and carrots. Yeah, potatoes and carrots. And I will see what I still can plant during November. But I will see how this vegetable garden is growing, and like I said, I will update you on all the parts, how I'm gonna improve this vegetable garden. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video. See you on the next update.